Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see your favorites on WeChat. So let's jump right in. First, open the WeChat app. Tap on the Me option from the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you can see the favorites option. Simply tap on it. In the favorites section, you can see all the WeChat videos and the other items that you have added to your favorites. To view a specific video, simply scroll through the list, select the video you want to see and tap on it to open. And this is how you can see your favorites on WeChat. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.